Are you ready to unlock the power of AI to earn money? In today's video, I'll share 6 AI powered side hustles that anyone can start right now, even if you're not a tech expert. From automating your daily tasks to generating passive income streams, these ideas will revolutionize how you think about making money. Stick around till the end for some bonus tips to get started faster. Before we dive in, let's answer a quick question. Why AI? Well, artificial intelligence isn't just for tech companies. It's for creators, entrepreneurs, and hustlers like you. AI tools can save you time, enhance your skills, and even automate tedious tasks. That means more time for creativity and, of course, making money. Let's break it down. First up, AI-powered content creation. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube scripts, or social media captions, AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper.ai can help you create engaging content in minutes. Here's how it works. Use AI to brainstorm ideas or generate drafts. Edit the drafts for a personal touch. Sell your services as a freelance writer or ghostwriter. Pro tip: niche down to industries like real estate or tech for higher paying clients. This hustle can earn you anywhere from $50 to $500 per project. Next, let's talk about AI art and graphic design. Tools like DALL-E and Canvas AI design features make it super easy to create stunning visuals. Here's the best part. Use these tools to create digital products like logos, book covers, or social media graphics. Sell your designs on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even as NFTs. Income potential. Digital art and graphic designs can sell for $10 to $1,000 each, depending on complexity. And you don't need to be Picasso. Just let the AI do the heavy lifting. Third on our list, AI video editing and creation. If you've ever wanted to edit videos but felt overwhelmed, tools like Descript and Pictory make it easier than ever. Here's what you can do. Use AI to transcribe, edit, and polish videos for clients. Create explainer videos or highlight reels for businesses. Even generate YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. Pro tip: learn the basics of storytelling and let AI handle the technical work. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per video, depending on the length and quality. Fourth on our list, AI-powered virtual assistants. If you're good at organizing and multitasking, this side hustle is for you. Here's how AI can help you shine. Use AI tools like Otter.ai to transcribe meetings or summarize notes. Leverage AI-powered chatbots to manage emails or customer inquiries. Automate repetitive tasks for busy entrepreneurs. Pro tip: offer specialized packages like social media management combined with AI scheduling and charge up to $30 to $75 per hour. Let's talk e-commerce. With AI, starting a dropshipping store or selling print on demand products has never been easier. Here's how. Use AI tools like Shopify's integration with Printify to automate inventory and shipping. Generate product descriptions and add copy with ChatGPT. Create unique product designs with Canva AI. Potential income. The sky's the limit here, but most people start earning $500 to $5,000 a month within the first 6 months. Finally, AI in education and tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, use AI tools to enhance your tutoring business. Here's how. Create custom quizzes or lesson plans using AI-powered tools. Offer personalized tutoring sessions online via platforms like Zoom. Leverage AI to track student progress and adapt lessons. Pro tip: package AI enhanced materials as standalone products to sell on educational platforms. Tutors can make $30 to $100 per hour, while selling materials can bring in passive income. And there you have it. 6 AI powered side hustles you can start today. Whether you're a creator, a tech enthusiast, or just someone looking for extra income, there's something here for everyone. Here's your action plan. Pick one hustle to start with. Spend 1 to 2 weeks learning the tools. Start pitching your services or setting up shop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Drop a comment below about which hustle you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy hustling.